Hey, what's up? Welcome to DGenEd. That's degenerative education, meaning none of this is financial advice, just me hanging out for a few hours playing Astrobot, and I will be taking breaks every hour, approximately on the hour, to either go over quests or to go over some stocks that I've got picked out. I do have two that I find to be pretty interesting, so I'd like to go over them, but I do understand there might be some requests, so I will consider them. But if you definitely want to get a request in, you can do that by donating a super chat, and I will consider your request there. But yeah, let's get into the gameplay. This is going to be focusing on the gameplay. And so if you're here for it, approximately every hour there will be like a 10-minute break for you to go to the bathroom, eat some food, have a snack, whatever. If you're here for the stock analysis, I will be releasing clips of that later, or if I don't release clips later, you might just want to check, scan through the video and see if there is some analysis. Maybe I just didn't think it was worthy of posting a video. But yeah, so let's get into the gameplay. Excited about this. This has been a popular game, and so I am having fun with it. And let's get into it. This is going to be the third round of playing Astrobot. We're going to let that load up. And I have to say, sorry, I'm 5 minutes late getting this started. I'm finding myself in the habit of being 5 minutes late, whether that's getting the chat organized and ready, or just getting coffee and, myself situated to sit here for 3 hours. But yeah, let's press any button and get going. There's that PlayStation memory card up there. Looks like I've got 72 out of 301 little bots there. Let's collect some more. Hopefully we can get up to 100 this time and unlock some more stuff at the crash site, at that like home planet or whatever. And let's actually go in there to check in. Looks like there's a little exclamation point, so maybe we can dive in and see what's going on there before we continue on to the galaxy of interest. Alright, so just dropping off my bots. I think that's all that I had to do here, really. Got some puzzle pieces. Got a nice puzzle. Very nice, very nice. Look at that. Very shiny. Splash my dash trophy earned. The dual speeder garage is open. Get in and give your dual speeder a whole new look. And so this is the dual speeder. Very PlayStation 2 centric over here, promoting their cool system. Let's go over here, see what we can do. Dual speeder garage. Alright. Ooh, or I could do black. What do you guys think is a cooler speeder look? I think I might go blue just because it's it's a little more Astrobot. I was gonna say Astrobat. Cool. Okay, well there's my ship. And I think I need to get up to 100 bots. So let's see if we can get up to 100 bots in these few hours of streaming. So let's go. And hope you guys are having a nice Sunday morning. Still waking up a little bit. I think I could have put more sugar in that, maybe. Maybe I just got a bitter sip. Let's go to this galaxy. I haven't been here too much. Only been to like 2 or 3 of the levels. That one, I think I'm missing the galaxy thing there. So yeah, we'll come back to it. Let's go to the trunk of funk. Let's dive in. Nope. Okay, that's cool. I usually suck at piloting that thing because it's all like motion controls. Take out all these baddies first. He always gets me. I think I can make it in time, and I don't. I screw up. Ooh, look at that. Some apples? Or are those mangoes? Some ants. I wonder if I'll get a little ant companion that will make me shrink, kind of like I did with the mouse thing. This is very chill music. Whoa. Oh, okay, I gotta take that guy out because he's gonna produce more of these things. Okay, let's see what we got here. Okay. No, I'm actually gonna check and make sure this is online. Yeah, so looking good. Okay, cool. Oh. Oh, it's a nice little well, a nice little pool here. There's a moo cow. Friendly moo cow. So cute. And little deer. My first bot rescued for this level. So this one I got the little drill guy. Who is that character? I don't know who that is. Let me know if you know who that character is. Maybe I'd play some golf there or something, I don't know. Oh, there's a little golf. A little golf thing. It's nice. One strike, one try. It's gonna drain the water, maybe. Ooh. pretty cool, kind of creepy, but it's cool. Let's do it. Maybe I wanted to explore more out there first, so maybe I'm gonna have to do this again. Oops. I am kind of creeped out by this level. Oh, that's okay. Oops. I want to get those coins though. Oops. Let's get these right there in the middle so I can get those coins. Is there a bot over there he's calling to? Ooh, this is kind of intense. Oh, okay. Guess I'm already full. I don't know what just happened there. I think I hit what I planted there. Maybe I'm being too confident in this. Okay, let's go up. I don't know what's going on there. Maybe I'm going too far or something. Alright, I got my third bot. Cool. And let me know if you guys know the guys with the hat backwards and stuff. I'm not sure what game that's from. Okay, now I think I need to just go back. And then I can go over here. Oh, crap. Oh! I panicked. I saw that guy. I didn't want to get spiked. Okay. Okay, I got the goo. Whoops. Oh, I meant to do grass again there. Alright. Whoop. Crap. Ooh. Okay, I got this checkpoint, so I'm actually gonna... Do I have any more goo in there? Maybe I can go back. No. That's cool. So I can grab that, come back to get the coins here. Cool. Make sure there are no bots below me that I gotta rescue. Where'd the guy go? Let's get goo from him. Maybe he'll come back after. Ah, there we go. Okay, now I've got a full goo. Before I go up there. Place for me to go. I think I want to... Yeah, I'll get this checkpoint, so I'll just start here. Then I think I want to go over to that guy. Alright. There's got to be a little bot up there, I'm sure. Okay. Right. Got 4, okay. Actually, does this level have a... This level does not have a galaxy, so that's Boom. Ooh. Coins up here. I need some more green goo, I think.
Angry chicks, mean and bad. Set my word to drive me mad. You help me, I help you. You know what you got to do. If you help me, then I'll help you. You know what you got to do.
Oh! Good to know it comes back. Didn't realize that'll knock me off. I gotta go over there to rescue a buddy. Okay, so I'll do better next time. Let's not screw this up. Oh man, so close. Dang it. don't know how I'm supposed to get all the way over there. Probably from up there. I think that would make the most sense.
Thank you quite enough. You gave me life, you gave me love. But if you give me just a little bit more, then I'll be sure to settle the score. Yeah, you help me, I help you. This is how we're gonna do. If you help me, then I help you. This is how we're gonna do.
Oh, crap. There's a goo thing over here, cool. Alright, 2 more to go. Still 2 puzzle pieces though. Dang it, I gotta do all that again. There we go. Puzzle piece? I wonder. Very cool. Gotta let me know what game those guys are from, because I don't know. Just only get a puzzle pieces, so I don't know why I don't have any more puzzle pieces. Maybe they're all at the end, though. Ooh, this is gonna be tough. Okay, let's time this right. Oh! Man, why did I die there? I should have just died. There we go. Now I can start back up there.
You
they're not there for very long. So let's see. Alright, cool. Not seeing any signs of puzzle pieces. Yeah, I know how to do the steam thing. Puzzle pieces, though. Okay, those are friendly bees. Gotta get up there. Oh, very cool. Boing, boing, boing. Yep. Gosh. I wish it didn't tell me constantly. I might actually be nice to like adjust the settings. I don't know that I could do that here. It's like I get how to do this. Yeah, I missed the second puzzle piece. Dang it. Oops. Oh, man. Oh, man.
Angry chicks, mean and bad. Set my bird to drive me mad. You help me, I'll help you. You know what you got to do. If you help me, then I'll help you. You know
this up here. Oh man. Oh, this is awkward. There we go. Alright. Oh! I should have been paying attention to what it was. I forgot it was a spinning box. I must say, I don't like the wrapping of this video. Or of this level. Oh. So let's do this at an angle I think I can see better from. I don't even need that thing, but... I don't need the thing up there, so I'm gonna skip it. I can use saves here. A little easier. Oh, I think there's a little bot up there I can save. Oh, I thought I had honey. Wait, I thought I have all but one bot. This is gonna be intense. Thank you for the celebratory emojis in the chat. Ah, man. What's up, Karim? Kingman, I appreciate it. Yeah, This stream hasn't been as popular as the Saturday one, so I might just do Astrobot Saturday mornings in the future. What's up, dude? Now, let's see. I just gotta try to not, like, rush this one. I think I was just a little rushed before. Ah, yeah, you gotta chill. Yeah, this game's pretty fun. I personally don't really like this level that much. Oh. Alright. Like, I gotta do another jelly thing on top. Yeah, but I don't know if Sundays work better for you, but I don't know if it's like people are going to church or something, and I mean, that would make sense. But yeah, it's not been as popular today. Oh, you did? Cool, cool. Yeah, and like this channel, I've done most stuff going over stocks and things like that, but just need to mix it up, and streaming encourages me to be online more and, you know, just hanging out for a few hours. Like, rather than hitting the record button like 3 times a day to make 3 videos, I just hit it once, stream, and see, you know, where that takes me. Because I haven't really been producing too much content lately. Oh gosh, I wanted to like use my little boosters right at the end there. Yeah, I do not like this level. Oh, like, what's up, Janoff? Cool game, but this level has strange vibes. It does. Like, the rapping is like, what? Like, I'm cool with the music, but then the guy raps, the tree raps or whatever. It's like, what? But I mean, it can't all be winners. Why? How does he shock me from there? Like, what's with this rapping? He just bounces on it. I gotta time this better. By time it better, I mean just skip it. Oh, crap. Okay. I see. Yeah, I guess the way that the chat's format, I see the yellow goat. Thank you for the yellow goats. Oh my god, no! Oh my god, I did it. That was crazy. Sucked up both of them so they can't get me. There's a zipper up there. I think this seems like a bad idea. I mean, I might get a bot over there, so I gotta try it. Booyah, I was right. Yeah, I have like like the way the chat's formatted, like I have it over here on my laptop, I have it over here within OBS, and I put it up on the stream so you guys could see. And like if I do it through YouTube, it'd be really clunky. I hadn't figured out a way to do it directly through Streamlabs, but I think that's through Stream something, I forget. Stream Elements integrated through, I think, Streamlabs into OBS. It's kind of an odd workaround, but just so it has the I guess like the Twitch kind of display. And yeah, so it's not like too crazy overwhelming or anything. But it's possible I could... Oh, I didn't even see the spike eye there. It's possible I could improve it so like emojis and stuff will show up better. Because yeah, I think it's just like taking text, and so some of the emojis don't translate well. I actually don't have a Switch 2. I have a Switch, which I could connect to this. But of course, Mario Kart World's not on that. I've been kind of unimpressed with Nintendo lately. Like the way that they have been upping the prices of games and stuff. And actually, I think that this game's a really nice example of Nintendo dropping the ball a little bit on gaming. Like Metroid Prime 4, all this stuff. And focusing more on movies, which I think is really cool. But PlayStation really picked up where they were lacking. There we go. Uh-oh. Is this a boss fight or something? Oh. Okay, I need to get up on top and hit him, I think. Sucking at his yoke, that's funny. This is not too bad of a boss, I must say. Oh, I say not too bad of a boss, and then it gets really tough at the end. Oh, crap. I keep doing two. It's because I want to hit R1 or R2 and L2 at the same time. I just gotta do one. Bird vomit. Thank you, I appreciate the sub. There should be a little animation that pops up if you do sub. But it's possible that thing's a little wonky as well. I'm too close to him. Man, it's like I get cocky. It's like, oh yeah, this is easy. And then I just like screw up. I think I gotta just go up on the outside. And I keep doing the R2, L2. I just gotta do one of them. What's my view on the crazy silver run? Supply running dry for the industry? I think it's like dumb money, sheep, whatever, buying the top. I think it's going to come down. I think that there's been a lot of short leverage. I think it's effectively a short squeeze that's going up with it. People could argue, oh, the technicals or the fundamental, the ratio of gold to silver right now doesn't make sense that silver would keep running. But when like it's like the saying that I keep doing, I'm pressing double X too soon. But yeah, it's like the markets can stay irrational longer than you can stay solvent. So I think it probably will be going up more, but I think it's also irrational. So I'm not in silver at all, whether long or short. Oh man. Oh, there we go. I was hitting the shell, I guess. So I'm just gonna stay over here, and then I should be able to get high enough with 2 of these. That I can do that. Booyah! Cool. Figured it out. Although I missed the middle puzzle piece. Yeah, and also, like, the interesting thing about, like, silver and gold, too, people talk about, like, you know, like, Bitcoin and crypto and stuff, that's the digital gold, it's the digital silver, you know, whatever, Litecoin's the digital silver. But Bitcoin and crypto haven't performed well this year, gold and silver have. And now I think there's going to be a rotation out. I mean, they could still go up, but I think there's going to be a rotation out of gold and silver into crypto, into small caps, stuff like that. So I think 2026 could be a great performing year for a lot of like the stocks that I've covered and that a lot of retail is interested in. I'm going to try to go back and find the puzzle. And I think I also might go to options here before I go in. Okay, control. Okay, so everything's... controller. Okay, so I don't need that. I just wanted to see if it'd give me fewer hints, but I think it just gives hints. Alright, I mean, I was proud of myself for getting the first puzzle piece for, like, flying here, because I'm usually bad with these motion controls, just because I don't really like that. Yeah, I think before I go into the tree, there might be a puzzle piece that I missed. No, I don't need the bird help. Thank you very much. I didn't know that those had spikes. I thought they were just flowery. Like, this is a leaf guy. I guess maybe he has spikes. I'm not sure. Ooh, he almost got me. Just a pool of water, so I'm not gonna get any puzzle piece here. At least I don't think so. I forget where I got the first puzzle piece. Maybe I could suck up the water. That could be something that I do. Oh no, I have to go into the tree to get the thing to suck up the water. Oh, golf. I didn't play golf. I was like, oh, I'll play golf later. Dang it, it's gotta be the puzzle piece. Okay, let's see. Can I get a hole in one on my first try? No. Oh, wow, that was bad. Man. Seems cruel. Let's just line them up really good. Hey, I got it. There we go, that's the puzzle piece. I gotta go through the whole level now. Stupid thing over here. Oh man. Yep, but got all the puzzle pieces and stuff, I just gotta beat it. I believe is what I have to do. Oops. Alright, let's do this efficiently. Creepy tree, man. Creepy tree. We gotta do it. Okay, I know what I'm doing, so let's just go through this as fast as possible. I want to go over there. Oh, dang it. Please sub to me. Yeah, I'll note it here 1 second. And others, if I imagined gaming, make sure you subscribe to Karim P3Y. Just noting this on the right day. I have a little notepad here. Karim P3Y. Let's see. Alright, that used to be more difficult for me, so I'm getting better, so that's good. Okay, I'm gonna go up here. Since it's Steam. And that checkpoint was right there, dang it. Oh, I don't even have any goo. It's like, yeah, I know how to do this. Stop giving me instructions. Might as well get some more coins. Okay, now I gotta go up there, I think. Oh, I almost I almost lost. Oh crap! We're gonna lose it here. Oh, crap. Do I have a special trading strategy like short-term swing trading or holding over long-term like DCA and stocks? I tend to DCA. I found that what I do is fairly boring, and part of the reason why I've started streaming gameplay is because what people want is, you know, pumping the stuff that's running. Oh, I thought I had goo in my thing. When it's like near a top. And I recently made a video on Neo that I refer to a lot, or actually two videos. One where I was talking about, it looks like there's going to be a gamma ramp or a squeeze moving higher, and got tons of views. I recognized, hey, that makes me think there's some there's some euphoria. And so I made a follow-up video a few days later that was just like, hey, actually, you know, it seems like there's euphoria. Also, I noticed some data in the options that suggests that price is top. It's going to be going down. When it was around 7 to 8, somewhere around there. How does he shock me? I guess he can shock the honey and it shocks me. I don't know. People block, like one person blocked me. I've just gotten a lot of backlash on Neo. And it's just like, that's like market psychology 101, you know? It's like, don't chase the top, don't have emotions. And so I just kind of recognize, like, I mean, if I get a lot of views for stuff that encourages bad market behavior, like buying tops, and when I do make videos where it's like, hey, this could be a top and or this is a good time to accumulate, they don't get views or people get angry at me. So it's like, yeah, I'll just stream gameplay, have some fun, and if people, you know, want to watch, great. If they don't, oh, dang it, then that's fine. Yeah, you can't like double jump in this, just like the little rocket boost. I think, unless I'm missing something. Yeah, I wasn't able to jump high enough. But I do think the strategy of bypassing this guy is good, because he tends to screw me over. Oh. Okay, well now I need to get the honey over here, so no problem. Just gotta time this better. Oh! I didn't know that he would stick me. Timing it the exact opposite way. There you go. Who needs that rope? Alright. One of the things I like about this game is the music. This level just sucks. Oops, wrong button. Let's see if I can do this first try. Oh! Dang it. Not first try. Almost. Second try, not too bad. Thank you. Yeah, I cooked some eggs for sure. And that's one thing, I cooked a bunch of ham on Christmas. I don't typically eat that many eggs. I need to get some eggs, make some omelets and stuff with the ham and eggs. I didn't die. And let's see, let's wait for it to come back. Alright. Oh, come on, man. There we go. Oh, and I need to drink more coffee. I've only had a couple sips. It was too hot initially. And now it's not hot. That sucks. I'm streaming for about an hour and 8 minutes. I might go over... Actually, I guess, are you guys curious? I was thinking about doing a play of a clip of somebody that I like a lot. I talk about him a lot, Cantonese Cat. I could go over a clip of his, which is on the Hang Seng and Neo, and then talk about Neo. So I don't know if you'd be interested in that, and then I could release that as a video that promotes him, and that, also shares his perspective, which I agree with, but he has a longer time frame perspective, and that's what I agree with, that things will take a little bit longer. So if you guys want me to do that, I can. Otherwise, I can keep playing. It's a good, I see the good comment. I think there's a little bit of a delay maybe, or maybe it's like if I tune into YouTube, I'll see let's see, I can show you over here, like if I look at where I'm at, I'm a little lagged. So I don't know if that's a little lagged for you guys or for what I see. Jan, are you saying you'd like me to do the thing on Neo? Cool, so I think I might do that. I'm just going to try to get it set up, and I might fumble with it a little bit because it's going to be playing something else on YouTube. So I'm just going to put start there. And I'm going to take us over to Chrome. And one thing I'm going to do, later today, I'm going to release a schedule for this week when I'll be streaming games, and then when I'll be basically doing streams, and then I'll take clips from them. And I'm going to reformat the way that we see, this stuff online. Excuse me. And so, yeah, I'm going to come over to chart. One of them that I wanted to cover also was Rocket Lab, but it looks like it's a top. I don't think people are going to like that, but it, could be pulling back some, but it could do that. Neo seems cool. Yeah, don't know much about that stuff. It's a Chinese electric vehicle company, and just the fact that it's Chinese makes me feel a little, cautious and stuff. It does have a really nice big move here, so I think that looks great. I'll remove my drawings to start, but I had talked about this, that it looked like a head and shoulders pattern. I had talked about this. I had laid this out probably when it was over here, which is bullish pattern, but then it topped over here and pulled back, and probably around here, so a little early, I was calling for a top and a retrace to around 550, people got so mad at me. That's exactly what happened. It's still a bullish pattern, and that is in fact what Cantonese Cat talks about. So I'm going to do that, but I actually have to switch over to the Chrome view. So let's see what the Chrome view. Okay, that's silent. So that's cool. And there's actually no chat on this one. But let's see. Let's go back over to here. This is, I got that, and the video clip that I want to play is over here. I've already kind of prepared it and stuff. And let's look up some contracts as well, just to kind of support the data, or have some data to support what I'm talking about here. And so this is bigger time frame. Let's go to 1 day for these. And then over here, I'm going to have NEO prepared as well. And let's see, there's no insider transactions. Max paying's just like $5, so nothing too crazy there. So this is just like me kind of setting up to record a YouTube video, or a NEO video. And so this is on the 30 days. All right, so why messages take so long? I think it's just like the delay in what I'm recording going to YouTube and it going out, and then your messages going into the chat and then coming back. So I think it's just like a bunch of relays, and it could be, just my internet service could be better. That could be a factor. But it also could be that, it's not like your chat, like I can see it on YouTube probably a little quicker than it pops up behind me. Actually, like a few seconds, like 5 seconds at most. But yeah, so I'm going to start from over here, and then I will actually have this set up on the NEO chart with no drawings up. Okay, so I'll start from over here. Hey, what's up? Welcome to DGenEd. That's degenerative education, meaning none of this is financial advice. Just me having some fun, taking a break. I'm going to start that over, taking a break. Hey, what's up? Welcome to DGenEd. That's degenerative education, meaning none of this is financial advice. Just me having fun, playing some Astro and taking a break to go over one of your favorite stocks, NEO, ticker symbol NEO. And so I wanted to go over this because it has pulled back to 550 currently, closed on Friday, December, 26th at $5.50. It has pulled back. It actually reclaimed the 200-day simple moving average in red there. So that does look really good on Friday. Went up 3.87%. The candle looks bigger than that. It's a big green candle there. But yeah, a really nice day, could be bottoming. And so I wanted to go over that as well as some options data because an account that I talk about pretty frequently here, Cantonese Cat, I will include a link in the description of this video to this full video so you can get his perspective on this. But I have basically just asked Google's Gemini, or YouTube's Gemini search, AI search to find when the speaker begins discussing the HSI, which is the Hang Seng Index, and NEO, because I think he provides a really nice perspective on NEO. So I want to share the clip with you, and then I will go over my own analysis. But I want to note all of his charts here, you can see up there on the monthly time frame. So he is looking at this with a bigger, longer time frame perspective. And so I think that's a really important way to be thinking about this. Just because it's at $5 might be the bottom, but maybe it takes a month or two for the bottom to actually be formed and price to be going up. So I wanted to play that for you guys. I'm just going to switch over to the Chrome view so we don't have the music in the background. And now let's listen to Cantonese Cat and see what he has to say about the Hang Seng and about NEO. And so this is probably going to be about 5 minutes. So let's listen to this.
Build a website you love with Wix. For your words, create.
I will clip
This
that
is
out.
the Hang Seng Index,
right, cool.
HSI. It is the index for the stocks that are being listed in the Hong Kong Exchange. The Hong Kong Exchange lists all the big stocks. Hang Seng Index is essentially representing the Chinese overall stock market here. And
So it's like,
as far as I'm concerned, the Hang
Billy
Seng Index
Billy,
has
I
done nothing,
believe.
right? For ever since
Neo.
really ever since like 1997,
Alibaba.
whenever they end up handing over, like the Hang Seng really hasn't really been doing very very well. I think the liquidity just having a hard time really truly flow, and you have some peaks and valleys here and there, but overall it hasn't really been doing anything. I'm going to look at a 3-month chart over here, and you can
Monthly
see that
time,
it's just been
3-month candles.
sideways over
Okay,
here for a
so
long time.
very long
Trying to
time
make
frame
sense out of
perspective.
this. I'll make sense out of it for you. I'm going to pull out the Ichimoku cloud over here, and it's going to make sense for you. It's basically it's been
Ichimoku cloud. I don't use them. I don't know
riding
enough
support,
about
finding
them.
support.
He uses them a lot.
It broke
He
down.
seems very
underneath
familiar with
the Ichimoku
them.
cloud here in July 2020.
So bearish
or
there.
Q3 of 2022 broke down. What do? You form a little bit of an Adam and Eve double bottom over here, and you try to get back through the cloud. You got inside the cloud here. Guess what's happening right now? You try and push through the cloud and having a hard time doing it. That's basically what Hang Seng Index is doing right now. But overall, if you just look at the monthly, this is a clear Adam and Eve double bottom.
Monthly.
Already had a successful back test.
So each
Looks
candle
like we have a
represents
big
1
move
month.
up here. Looks like this is a bull flag here. Looks like it
Up,
wants to have some further
consolidation,
continuation. Was it waiting for? It was waiting to build up energy. It's trying to break through this trend line over here that's been going on since 2018. That's what I think it's doing. And as far as I'm concerned, this is still relatively bullish,
So it's like come up to this resistance. Eventually it's going to break through it. He's saying this looks like it's a bull flag.
Is what they say. If you don't use that high, use that high over there. Is trying to break through 0.66.
So he's using Fibonacci's levels. I use them all the time.
That's a pretty important fit level. If it breaks through, where is it going to go? 29,000, right? So as far as I'm concerned, it's just consolidating sideways over here. It could break through. It could go down a little bit more.
This is the 3-month candles
now.
now.
Here at the 3-month Ichimoku cloud top, it could go down a little bit more.
So time,
as far as I'm concerned,
you want time on your side. I think we've got months, maybe just 1 month, maybe just January. For Neo to bottom.
China Internet ETF. You can see how you have a beautiful Adam and Eve double bottom breakout.
And this could be a rising 3 methods.
Like an absolute beauty right here. I mean, I think
3 down and then up.
It's bizarre that people don't pay more attention to
this is the 1 month.
Like the Alibaba, what is it doing?
Alibaba, mentioned them.
Breakout
1
back
month
test, right? Beautiful back test.
This is like a rising 3 methods.
That push through, like higher. Oh, everybody's into Alibaba, this, that.
Euphoria.
3-month
that happened with Neo. That happened with Neo.
Declining volume, right? 4 months candle, a cool down on declining volume. You know what I was saying back in July of 2025 during this week? This is an extremely bullish setup. This is an extremely bullish setup.
Nobody wants to talk about it when it's at the bottom. But I mean, you could be bullish here, and then you wait.
If Chinese stocks do well,
3
US
months.
stocks should do well.
2 months
sure enough, what
before
happens?
it starts going
small
up.
caps just end up flying in from the U.S. You know about like Cypher going up, talking about Iron going up. You're talking about Alibaba doing well, right? Price went from 100 all the way up to like 180, 190. That's a big move, right? Guess what happens after a big move? Consolidation. Guess where consolidation ends? It ends at a previous resistance level over here and flip it into support, right? Bull in Japan, what is it doing? Expanding to the upside. Ichimoku Cloud, what is it doing? It is basically rejecting price right up there.
So it could pull back to here
cloud yet.
or here.
Decided to come back a little bit closer here to the Tenkan. The blue line here finds the support before breaking up on low volume consolidation. Breakout, increased volume, consolidation, declining
so whenever you see volume decreasing, you expect it to continue when it's consolidating.
I do not expect it to push through the Ichimoku Cloud on its first try. This 3-month consolidation is warranted.
Rising 3 methods.
Is it going to be a 4th month or a 5th month like it did over here? Maybe. But this is getting more and more bullish. The closer
pulling
it
the
is
spring
down
back,
to 150s
launching it.
and 140s. If it goes down to 120s, 130s, I think that's a steal. But that's what I'm seeing right here with Chinese stocks. Even Neo,
everybody likes
better
Neo.
and better. Look at the Bollinger
Look,
Band.
I was really excited about these potential breakouts. What's he talking about here?
Resistance. You remember how bullish people were over here?
That was us. We were excited about it.
Neo had no chance getting through because the 20-month moving average.
A lot of you guys watch my videos, and I was wrong.
It basically
learning from mistakes
down, and it did. It smacked the price down, and then they're like lower. People get the solution. See a hammer bottom candle over here. Everybody's longing. Guess
you
what?
could
20-month moving
great
average is still
discount
very
here,
negative. Still big.
but you got to wait
Try
so
push
many
through.
months.
Everybody got
This
very
is on the
bullish in
monthly time
September.
frame.
Slap through, right? Another leg lower. Guess what? Higher high here compared to there, right? Maybe a higher low over here compared to there. There's a change of character when it comes to stock, even
That just looked like a breakout and a retest.
This setup here is beautiful. Break through the 20-month moving average, rejected here about upper bullish band, and have a low volume, decline volume, back test at a flattening.
But these are monthly.
20-month moving average.
So
this is a change in character.
This month here,
something that
month here,
somebody should be
month here.
dreaming
So
of
maybe
when
in
you're looking
January
for
it
a
bottoms
setup,
and starts to
right?
go up.
I have a
maybe
hard
in January it
time
starts to
not
go up.
buying NIO. I decided not to because I also buy Rivian. I also have Tesla.
Rivian,
and
Tesla,
I decided
exciting.
not to do that. But this is a good setup.
This is a beautiful setup.
I don't even know like exactly what the fundamentals.
It could be
are
another
in terms of
month
what they're
though,
doing and all that.
but it's not
To
like
warrant this
6
kind of
months.
setup, all I know is there's increase in Chinese liquidity. The Chinese market overall is doing well, and even for a stock that's been going straight down for 5 years, like NIO, is starting to show signs of life when people stop talking about NIO.
I've stopped talking about it
Talk about NIO here
because I've gotten bashed for saying it was topping here.
Over here.
Hey, I'm just trying to
This
share an
is where you
opinion.
need
I'm
to
trying to
talk
share a
about
perspective.
NIO.
Sometimes I'm
But
right,
people don't
sometimes I'm
care.
wrong. Here, I was
It's
right.
what people care about right now.
People care about gold. And so I'm actually just going to go back here to the NIO image so we can see how it's been in this massive downtrend, monthly candles. And over here, you see, look, there's a bottom. Takes a month to, form like basically a U. And then the next month, it actually goes lower. It went lower here than over here. And then it started to go up. And so over here, same thing, big red candle, consolidation, just like over here. And it didn't go lower over here, but it took a month for it to get back up, and then it dropped off a cliff. But yeah, I mean, same thing. It's like the same type of pattern. Comes down, consolidates. Maybe it does something like this. Maybe it takes all of January before finding a bottom, and then it goes up. And so that's what we're looking at here. This is the monthly time frame. So just wanted to put that into perspective. And now we can have some music back. I'm just going to go over the chart here real quick. I just wanted to remind you guys, I've talked about this parallel channel that I feel like we're going to backtest, which could be coming down to, I mentioned it before, $4.39. That's the 618. I have that lined up exactly to the top here, to the bottom here. Doesn't have to come down exactly to the 618. So do consider that. Do keep that in mind. We did hit a low over here on December 3rd of 473. That's sub $5. And so, the consolidation over here took about a month, and just because this was a dip down, it went up, but it really took, like multiple months for it to really start going up again. And so I think that what we could be seeing right now, I think $5 is a safe bet. It's a Chinese stock, so it's kind of, risky. It's kind of risky. But I think that things are looking good. Maybe it comes down to $4.39, maybe it comes down to $4.20, or maybe even $4. But if it's like a month of holding from 5 to 4 before a month after that, so like 2 months from now, it's at 6. I think that's worth it. I think that seems like a good trade. But I'm going to reiterate, I think that this is going to take time. I think it's going to take another month. And part of the reason for that is going to be looking at some options data. And so just looking at the data over here, the net call and put premium on Friday, so December 26th, we saw net call premium in green going up along with the stock price, net put premium coming down. So that would be bullish. But net call premium only went up by about $452,000, or like $500,000, not even $500,000. Net put premium came down by $177,000. So not $1 million there. So it's not super heavy going one way or the other. Some contracts that may be of interest, I don't hold any of them. But the $7 strike call for May, we have seen some, 1,000 swings really. It looks like it swung up to from 23,000 to 24, then back down to 23. So, I mean, there's some activity on it, but it's, not too crazy. These are going for about 30 cents or $30 per contract. One that I believe I had held, no, it wasn't this one, but this is a $5 strike call that expires in June, 172 days between now and expiration. Seems like there's maybe some accumulation. This is about $1 or $100 per contract. And then we do have the $7 strike call also expiring in June. This one's about 40 cents per contract, which translates to $40 because 40 cents times 100 shares per contract equals $40. Also, the $8 call expiring in June, 172 days between now and expiration. This is seeing some green, some buys, about 30 cents, 35 cents per contract. Nothing terribly crazy with it. And this is one that I had held. I sold. I took profits on it. This is the $10 strike call that also expires in June. And, this is going now for a low on Friday was 16 cents. The high was 24 cents, so $16 to $24. I had my average at 32 cents, so I'm glad I sold my last contract at $1. So I made basically a 3x on that, took some profits, of feeling really good about it. And then looking at the premium over here, so what we were just going over on the daily here with net call premium going up, along with the stock price in yellow and net put premium coming down. If we look back over the past 30 days, what can we see here? There was some activity in the past, net call premium going up and down as stock price in yellow was coming down. And then what has it been doing? The net call and put premium. What has that been doing as stock price has been either bear flagging or just consolidating to form that bottom? It's not been doing too much. So there's not really a signal here in NEO, in my opinion, telling me that NEO is going up tomorrow. But like what we're seeing over here from Cantonese Cat, I think that in the 1 to 2 month time frame, NEO will be higher than it is right now, but within that time frame, it might be notably lower, like going down to $4. So I think what we're going to be seeing in the next 2 months with NEO is potentially a test of $4. Great dip buying opportunity, in my opinion. And then following that, we could be seeing it up to $6. So a 20% drop followed by a, is that 25% swing to, well, that would be a 50% swing to the upside, going from 4 to 6. So I think that is looking really good. An account that I respect, Cantonese Cat, also thinks it's looking really good. So yeah, I just wanted to share that perspective with you guys because I know you like NEO. But as always, those are just my thoughts. If you found them helpful, make sure you like the video, share your thoughts in the comments down below, and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more clips like this. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you guys later. All right, now I'm going to get back to the gameplay because I think I've lost the viewers that I had, which is unfortunate. But it wasn't really a popular stream anyway, so that's totally fine. And I get to promote the guy that I like a lot, Cantonese Cat. Oh, and one of the reasons why I need to have the chat up there. And let's see, 1 second. All right. Cool. So let's continue the gameplay, and that's one thing that I might do this real quick. I'm just gonna copy the chat and put it over into Chrome. So we have it over here. So we should see the chat behind me. I'm actually gonna make sure that it's behind me. There, okay, so that should be good. And so the chat will be there when we come back to Chrome if we ever do that again. But yeah, let's continue on with the gameplay. Kind of bummed people left. Well, I do see some celebratory stuff in the chat. It says concurrent viewers 0, so I'm not sure what's going on there. I got the crown there. 79, I want to get to 100. So let's continue on to the Wormy Passage. Hopefully the music's good here. Hopefully it doesn't suck. Alright, I'm going to pilot this. And I'm going to restart the level because I want to see if I can pilot to the right web. Nope. Okay, cool. Oh, clouds. Before I get the special box. Oh, yeah. The guy's trying to say, hey, pick me. Little guitar playing dude. Not sure who that is. Immune survivor aspires to be an astronaut. Okay, cool. Hey, Karim, what's up? Yeah, sorry if I lost you on a little bit of analysis there. I was having fun with that. And I will add you as a subscriber, or I will subscribe to your channel. I am just not great at multitasking, and I don't want to just detour that. I got it in my notebook, so I'll make sure I do that. There we go. Ah, the boxing gloves. Cool. Let's see what's over here. Alright. Let's take a photo. There we go. Got him with his eyes open, so it looks good. Let's see. Ooh. No. Just gonna go around and see if I can find some. I mean, I just started, so I can't imagine there are more bots for me to collect. Maybe there's something. Whoop. I was over there. Okay, I think it's time to go forward. Dude, this is like it's crazy to me how they've just like totally ripped off so many ideas from Mario. Oops. Oh, I've got to punch the crystals. There we go. And yeah, one of the things that I've learned that I've got the chat above me, it cleared. It's because I was on like the Chrome window, which I don't have the chat on, so I just added the chat, so that won't disappear. But I do need to kind of like reformat everything, so it will always have the chat above, it will always have the tickers below and the thing on the top. Because it's nice to have like the full screen, but this doesn't really compromise it too much, and then I'm not blocking anything. And like the segue from gameplay to going over stocks will not be as, you know, clunky and stuff. Oh, I just... there we go. Not sure what this chips signify. Ooh. I did not mean to do that. I didn't know that was going to happen. I think that's which way is to continue on. There are coins up there, so it seems... Okay, yep, this is... Yep, I gotta help you. That's how you do it. I think it's why you save the bots by punching them. Alright. Okay. Ah, man. I screwed up. I didn't punch him well. Oh. Cool. I don't know if that's where I need to go or if this might be save a bot. So let's go here first. Alright, I don't know who that guy is, but I'm happy to save him. Yeah, what are those characters? No idea. Cool. Okay, I can do this. There we go. Not sure how I gotta take him out, but... We got one puzzle. I feel like I should have another puzzle piece soon. Yeah, mole buddies were telling me to go that way. Maybe there's something over here. I think I was just over there. I'll have to, it'll probably take me a little while, but that's something that I'll need to look into. Maybe over like January, I'll try to figure out how to improve the chat so it will include all the little different special emojis and stuff. And that's probably the third puzzle piece down there, because let's see. I think I could get it by doing that, just a little kamikaze mission. Oh, this is going backwards. I believe that's going backwards. Did I just... No, okay, it's right here. Cool. There we go. I might have died. Got the puzzle piece. Okay, yeah, so I don't know when... Oh, and that was the second puzzle piece too, so that's awesome. Let's see, is there anything over here? Yeah, I was thinking it probably fills it with water. But who needs water when you got kamikaze missions? Alright. Okay, maybe there's a puzzle piece opportunity over here. I mean, I just got that puzzle piece, so I can't imagine there's another one right here. Oh, why wasn't I able to jump up? that guy wasn't so bad. And now it's like, where is the third puzzle piece? Cool. Cool. I'm down with this. It's kind of gross. It's like all spongy and stuff. I'm like inside as... I mean, I guess it's a robot worm, so... Let's just see. Okay, I got all of the robots. I just need... Oh! Okay. Some stomach acid there. And this worm's been eating cheese and stuff and apples. This is pretty funny. They have a good sense of humor with this game, I must say. Oh! Man, I just totally screwed up there. Ooh, I don't know why I suctioned to the bottom one. Yeah, I gotta get out of this worm's stomach. This is so gross. Oh, dang it. Well, I'm not going to be cheap. I'm going to get the puzzle piece on the way out. Actually, I was cheap earlier with Kamikaze Mission, so... Oh, no. I'm almost out. I'm almost out. One of the things that I'm like most proud of is like in Super Mario World, I got it to 100% because I just get like obsessive with this stuff and like playing it perfectly. Oh, just like learning the patterns and stuff. I wish I would have been streaming then because it'd just be so cool to have it. And also like the jump rope thing, I got that where you have to get like 100 jump ropes. I like nearly passed out getting it because like once you get in the rhythm, it's just like you're in a trance. And yeah, it just like took it all out of me. I need to do a little rocket booster again. Yeah, it's like, it's hard, but once you learn it, it's just a pattern. Oh, I see how this works. That would have been funny if the green just kept coming up and he like threw up all over the place. I got it. $86. I don't yet have the 100 that I'd like. Before I go there, let's try going into this. Actually, yeah, let's go back to this one. This was a cool level. Go to the galaxy thing, and then maybe I go to the other galaxy thing. that I haven't finished, and then maybe at that point I have 100 100 guys, 100 bots. Hey, see you later. Thanks for joining. This is gonna be tough to find the secret galaxy or whatever, because they're like different dimensions to this level, you know? I will for sure. I'll do it after this. Oh, hang on. Oh, I don't know if I already took a photo with this. Probably. Oh. Oh. Hey, cat. I just punched the cat. There we go. There's something. Just coins, not a portal. Get up to that tree branch if I can. What time tomorrow for the live? So I'll be doing Metal Gear Solid tomorrow. That's going to be at... Tomorrow's Monday. Yeah, so Metal Gear Monday. That's going to be at 7 p.m. Eastern. Yep. And I'll do that for 3 hours. So let's do this. Nope, I can't get up there. Cool. And I'll do a video today on kind of like the schedule for the week that I'm planning. Oh. Oh. And then the next time I do stream Astrobot will be Saturday. was weird. Go up this way. No. Sick. I'll still be streaming then. Ooh. There we go. Box. Just gotta go around and find all of these secrets so I can hopefully get to the galaxy. I think the tail's funny because you can like see it through his legs when he walks. I don't know that I've been here before. Hey, yeah, I can go overboard. Let's see, yeah, it's around the hour, so I can definitely do that. I already did kind of go over it. I just didn't, I actually wasn't showing it before. Yeah, I can definitely take a break and go over boar. And so let's see. And so just to be clear, one request per video, per stream. So if that's your request, I will do it. But yeah, let's see. Okay, chat, is there? Actually, I might... I just need to consider moving the chat over here so we can all see it. And so with that, and I had like a box around it, so I know it's tough to see. I might actually just put it behind me for now. I need to clean that up. But yeah, let's see. I see Karim saying hi. Good. That's all. Yeah. An URG. So if you request two, then I'm not gonna do either. So you said boar, I'll do boar. Because I mean like I'm having fun playing games. I have fun going over charts, but I don't want to be exploited, and that's effectively what can happen. And you're not respecting that I said one and then you just do a second one right after it. So I'll go over boar. And let's see, the chart is behind me, so that's good. So boar. So yeah, I mean, this is like what I went over before. I mean, it's like, I'm not sure which day I did it, probably Friday. I mean, it looks like it's retesting the 20-day SMA there, so I think that looks good. But it's already retested. I mean, here it like fake out broke below, then here it tested again. Bounce and consolidate, and that's with lower volume. I mean, I think it looks tough. I mean, for me, it's like in all of like I think this is drilling, so this is different than the other ones. But it's like, is there a clear signal that's telling me this is something good to go long or go short? I think that there's a chance this is going to break below the 20-day. And then if that happens, then it's going to test the 50-day. If that happens, it's already tested over here pretty recently. That was the end of November. Then, yeah, I mean, it could break down below that and then go to the 100 and then the 200-day. So I think that this one, and also there's some consolidation over here in like the same kind of region where it's at now. So that makes me think that it might consolidate here for a little while. And with that, it could retrace to some of these moving averages. And let's see. So from over here, higher high. And so let's just to put this into perspective. Higher high. And we do have a higher high. So there's no bearish divergence there. We do have hidden bearish on the shorter time frame, but that's in the past. Higher high here. And lower high. And so following that, there was a pullback. Hey, glad you guys are chatting. Glad you guys are saying hi to each other, being friendly in the chat. And so let's see. 19% drawdown following that. And then it goes from there, higher high, higher high, lower high, lower high. So that looks, there's nothing screaming bearish, but it could break down from this. It could. We could do a little fib extension. This is going to be like very short time frame, so it's kind of worthless. But so from the low here to the high, 100%, it's basically putting in a double top there. But it could be revisiting like 450. The highs over here, 448. 448 both of these days, December 9th and 10th. And so, I mean, that could be it, but then I would be looking for signs of exhaustion. Is, if it's retesting this, is volume backing it to push it higher? And actually, you do see the highest volume here. And, you know, it was higher than it was over here, so that's good. But then you have this high volume here. You're only getting to about that same amount of volume. And then it's a pullback. And that's actually... So the highest volume that you actually saw was over here. That would have been April 8th and 9th. So that would have corresponded with the Liberation Day. And over here, you're seeing less volume, still a peak in volume like we've seen in the past. But with that peak in volume, it's not sustained. It's getting rejected from, you know, effectively what was a high over here. So let's see. I mean, that seems like a double top. I think it's going to pull back a little bit. And so I've got this retracement here to suggest where that could be going. The 236 is around 350. The low that we saw on December 17th was 358. And yeah, I mean, so I think that could be getting tested. 350, then that would be putting in a lower low, and that would be not such a great look. But if it does come down to like $3, that's the 382, and that would correspond with like both of these highs, the consolidation here. Coming down to the 50%, that'd be like 260, maybe 250, somewhere around there. That could be getting caught by the 200-day simple moving average, the red line there. And that is at 250. So I think this could be pulling back to 250. And then if we do look at the overview and options, BORR, board drilling, this isn't screaming too much. This is the data from the past 30 days. We did see net call premium spiking up here by $214,000, like not millions. That's still, you know, a lot for this stock, it looks like, going back the past 30 days. We also had net call put premium going down by 47,000. So that was a signal, hey, this could be going a little bit higher, but then it actually kind of topped, consolidated, and pulled back. And whether, this net call premium, put premium is leading to the buying of calls or the selling of puts, kind of tough to say. We'd have to actually look at the individual contracts to see that. What ended up happening was they're buying, selling. I'd imagine this was selling of covered calls before this pullback, or at least that would be, a good sign, something that you'd want to see there. Insider transaction, you can click over there to see what's going on if this loads. No data for this ticker found for insider transactions. I'm wondering, is this a US based company? They do have the monthly contracts, $4 for January 16th. But we do see that, the stock price in gray over here, just making sure you can see that. Stock price in gray has been above Max Pain, which is the green line and red dots. And so it looks like Max Pain is kind of catching up to the stock price. So I think that it's going to start to underperform relative to the Max Pain. We see 250 for February. So for Bohr, I see price pulling back to 250 over the next 1 to 2 months. And it could be coming down to 2. And so that would suggest that this could be pulling back to 3, let's say 3 at least, the 382 at 299. And that would correspond with breaking below the 20-day simple moving average, the 50-day SMA, which is currently at 340, the 100-day SMA, the purple line, that is currently at 308, coming down to 3. And the options data are suggesting it coming down to 250. That doesn't have to happen, but that does make me think that momentum that we've had to the upside, I mean, just from the low here to the high there, what percentage move do we see to the upside from the low to the high? 50% pullback, cool off, consolidation. I think it's going to probably be coming back to 3, if not 250. I think waiting for 2, that would be getting greedy, but I think that's something to prepare for. 2 is the 786 here, the orange line. So all those levels, I think most certainly it's coming down to 3, in my view. I could 100% be wrong about that, though. But yeah, let's see. I think is this a European stock? So let's how do I pull up the news here? I'm not the best at pulling up this information, so we can see. Okay, news. Euronext Oslo Bourse. This is behind me. This is what I'm reading. Euronext Oslo Bourse decision on admission to trading Borr Drilling Limited. The Euronext Oslo Bourse has decided to admit Borr Drilling Limited to trading on Euronet Growth Oslo. Maybe this is a Swedish company? Or Oslo would be Norway, I believe. Oslo, Norway, yeah. It is stipulated that the company, prior to the first day of trading, satisfy the admission requirement on Euronext Growth Oslo. The CEO of Euronext Bourse Oslo determines the first day of listing no later than the 16th of March 2026. This could be like a sell the news type of thing, and I might actually go over to Grok here. I'm just going to refresh this. I don't want to go over the history. I want to go over to this. Where is Borr Drilling located? So hopefully this doesn't take a long time. The last time I used Grok, it took a little while for him to think. Borr Drilling headquarters. I believe it's going to be in, Nevada, USA. Borr Drilling is headquartered in Hamilton, Bermuda. So it's not US based. Bermuda, I believe, would be UK. Is that UK then? And so that might explain why UK 1002 is requesting it. So I believe Bermuda or Bermuda Triangle. No, I'm thinking of, Bermuda. Borr Drilling is headquartered in Hamilton, Bermuda. It does have offices in the UK, including London and Aberdeen, but it's not a UK company overall. Okay, so Bermuda is different than UK. But yeah, so I would just be prepared for that. So yeah, hopefully that was useful for you guys. I'll probably release that as a clip, but as always, those are just my thoughts. If you found them helpful, make sure you like the video, share your thoughts, and make sure you subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next one. And so I'm just gonna include an intro to that because I was a little disoriented at the beginning. Oops, and I'll get that to go away. But yeah, hey, what's up? Welcome to DGenEd. That's degenerative education, meaning none of this is financial advice, just me having some fun taking a break from Astrobot to go over boar drilling, ticker symbol BOOR. Hopefully you enjoy it. All right, so I'll release that as a clip. And so UK 1002, I do appreciate your consistency. I do appreciate you learning the boundaries of the channel, and that's, I don't take offense or anything like that. I hope you don't. It's just, for, like content creation, it's like you have to have these lines. Otherwise, yeah, I mean, and so I did also adjust the banner. So it's, because I've noticed for myself, I've kind of had this plan to do, I'm going to do ticker analysis every hour on the hour. I don't tend to do it on the hour. And so I've adjusted that. And also I did note individual super chat requests appreciated. You don't have to super chat. Definitely don't worry about it. But if it's like I have a stock that I really want to go over, another one that I did want to go over was Rocket Lab, but that was to suggest a top, and videos like that don't get views. So maybe I'll follow up on that during the week. And the other ticker that you have requested, URGN, I'll be streaming tomorrow night for Metal Gear Monday. And that'll be 7 p.m. Eastern. And so you can, request that. I'll post a link probably after, this stream. Just, I have the streaming software open. It's easier for me to do. And then you can, I think, go into the chat before it started and put that comment in there. So I'll see it even if you can't join live. Whenever there's a link to a stream, you could go into it and post something in the chat, I believe. But yeah, let's continue on with this. And hopefully I can get to that secret galaxy. Streaming for 2 hours and like 14 minutes now. So this might be the last one that I can get to. And I'm curious, can I go? Oh, no, it's gonna... Kinda wanna see if I can get into that vent. What's that reflection? Just all that stuff over there? Okay, cool. And if I can't find the secret level in this by myself, there is like the bird thing to give me some clues. Good to DGenEd. I'm not sure. I might have to be big to pull this thing. And also too, like with the channel now, it's like, it's kind of odd too. Like I feel like I have to be especially more firm with things just because it's like, I was doing a stream a couple of weeks ago that was Prince of Persia, and somebody just came in and joined the chat, you know, like kind of just telling me what to do, you know, stick to stocks or something. It's like, well, I mean, it's my channel. I've grown it. I accept that, you know, I will and have lost some subscribers due to going over gameplay. But I've been putting out more stock analysis because I'm in front of the camera more and I can just like casually do it. And they're clips, they're casual, and so if I am a little disoriented or whatever with it, it's like, why are you then watching the channel if it's like, you know, I'm trying to go over the analysis, give my perspective on things, and that's why people should be subscribing, for the analysis, not for pumping, you know, what's taken off or whatever. And yeah, so yeah, I mean, I think it's like, gotta find that balance. What's I feel like that's gotta be something to a portal. No. I worry there's a cat under here. But there was just a little bot that I had already rescued. Maybe it has to do with the dinosaur. I don't know how I got that before. Oh, I've already gotten it. It's in front of the screen, not behind it. Oh. It's not a secret portal. think they're just bugs under here. SMG4 quit. I don't know who SMG4 is. I actually looked it up. I don't know, there's a... Yeah, I was doing something online for a second. On the screen you guys can't see, and I looked up what SMG4 is, and I couldn't find who that is, what that is. Or I didn't really look. I was just like, oh, YouTuber quit. Is that what you're saying? Were they a big gamer? Okay, so I think I've already gone in there and that bird's just helping me out get above. Yeah, because I've been here before. Okay. What's over here? Go on, bird. Oh. I don't know that I can jump on him. So it's just like connecting me to the rope thing. Oh man. Already gone out to the little pigeon nest. I can stand up there. I don't know what's going on. Dang it. I just totally lost all of that progress. I don't care about this. Back over here. I've already got that puzzle piece. Didn't realize I could do that with the flower pot and stuff. Maybe this is where the portal will be. I didn't do this before. Just coins. Yep, I'm doing that. There's the disco ball. That's where I need to go. Oh. Sorry, I bumped the mic a couple times. I think I just need to stay on the bubble. Oh. Alright, I got it. I did it without using the bird too. Keep bumping the mic though. Alright. Sweet. New level unlocked. Oh, is this like a Minecraft? Box will bust up. That will put me at 91 bots, so still not 100. Yeah, I guess this is like a Minecraft level. I wonder if we'll see Steve. I imagine. This is pretty cool. I like this. Oh, everything's just blocks. I can just destroy it all. Cool. One. Good like make it 1M. What's 1M? Oh, I got crushed by him. I'm not used to the what's it called? The Minecraft, the blocks and stuff. It's kind of weird. It's cool, but like the bad guys are also blocks. Boom. Like highlighted wherever I am. Look at those coins. That is cool. It's kind of crazy, you know, how, let's see, Xbox is going to be, you know, like, releasing, what's it called, Halo, which I've never played, by the way, on PlayStation. They're going to have a version for it, and, like, Trump was tweeting about how, what's that box up there? Oh, there's just clouds. About how PlayStation won the console wars. But yeah, I wonder if Nintendo and or PlayStation will be merged at some point. I doubt that would happen, but how does he shoot me from that far away? That's insane. But yeah, I wonder if something like that could happen. But I imagine, you know, there's always going to be a Coke and Pepsi. Nintendo, I guess, would be the Coke. Coca-Cola Classic. How did he crush me? Yeah, and that's also red and white, so that makes sense. PlayStation 4 blue, like Pepsi. I don't know if that guy is from, Forgotten Mascot, here today, Polygon tomorrow. That guy reminds me of a guy from Prince of Persia. But maybe it's something else. Maybe it's from Minecraft. I don't know. Or maybe they've done enough like Minecraft throwbacks. Let's see. There we go. We got a photo. There we go. A couple of them. Yeah, gotta take a couple. Make sure they turn out good. Boom. Okay. Whoop. Boom. Oh, 1 million subs. I need to first get to 100,000. That's how you get the plaque. Or the play button. Which I've been stagnating around. Is it 2,760? 2,759. I was up to 2,763, but then, yeah, people want me to only do, like, yeah, I mean, it's like, people want me to pump stocks and that's it, and it's like, well, that's not sustainable, it's not useful. I gotta pivot, do some, kind of expand the content a little bit more. And people don't like that. It's like, well, I want the channel to be successful. I want to keep doing this stuff. Some people don't want that, though. Man, I didn't think that I would get one of those. I need to throw dynamite over there. That's what I need to do. Okay. Got almost all of them with that one blast, and I didn't kill myself, so that's good. And let's see. Got 3 bots. 1 out of 2 puzzle pieces. We'll get the bulldog. Gonna make sure I explore all this other stuff first. And by explore stuff, I mean break down all the trees. That dog wants to get out of the box. I think I'm gonna need the dog to get over there. Gotta destroy all those trees first. You never know, those trees can be bad. The trees have nothing, bro. I know, I'm just having fun breaking them down. I like how everything breaks into little cubes. Just really cool graphics. You can even take them down faster with the dog. Yeah, that's a good point. Let's see. Little bunny guy. Ribbon Rider likes all types of music. I don't know what game that's from. Yeah, if I was trying to do this like efficiently and like all of that and like super, I don't know, I probably wouldn't be streaming it. I'd be like dialed in, focused. Just having fun. Puzzle piece, so I got the 2 puzzle pieces. Okay, yep, I know this one. I want to get all those guys though. There we go. Oh man. There we go. Boom. Boom. Yeah, like you'd think it's like, well, the animations of this are just like, they're just blocks, it's gotta be easy, they're just like pixels. I feel like to animate this with the trees breaking down into little cubes like that, huge pain in the ass. Super cool. I need to drink some more water. And I don't know if UK1002 is still with me, but all these tickers down here, Iova, TMDX, Anvis, I think OPK, once he requested, so trying to add I thought I could just, like, launch through them. Look at that. Well, I learned there. Be more better. I definitely need to do that. Hopefully there's the final bot here. They crushed me. What can I say? Dang it. I gotta get those slime guys first, because they always screw me over. Oh, they just create a wall in the sky. Not fair. Yeah. So I can't attack them at all when they're up. Oh, I screwed up. Screwed up again. I got it this time, though. Gotta make sure. How do I get squashed there? man. I'm not complaining that this is too hard. It just seems that they round up to the amount of area that those bunnies have control over. Ooh, I did it. And I got my little buddy. Perfect. Yeah, I don't like, punching would be better. Punching would be better, you're right. The spike guys just made me, really not like punching. Because I like punch them and then they spike me, so I just like, laser footing them. I'm just doing the trees because I like it. I think it's pretty. Let's see, I've been streaming for 2 hours and 49 minutes. Maybe I can get up to 100 bots. I imagine not. I was just like, I want to get out of there. I don't care. 91. I need 9 more. So let's go back to the home galaxy. And I think actually if I go over here, I think that there is... Yeah, I get 3 more bots. So the Aztec level. Otherwise, I've gotten everything. What's over here? So let's see if I can find the secret level here. The disco ball is what it is. Okay, and this is where they introduced me to. Little rumbling. Yeah, so I can punch these guys, but like guys, I don't like to punch them. Keep your eyes peeled for a disco ball. I gotta stop being so scared of punching. I just punched a spike guy and it was fine. We got the boxing gloves here. Oh! I know there's another one. I can't punch that. I'm gonna do some kamikaze stuff. I want to see if I can get into that. I was hoping I could get into the waterfall. I gotta explore it to find the disco ball. The new galaxy. Pretty sure this is just a puzzle piece or something that I've already gotten. Disco balls out there. I don't think so. There's like a white thing over there underneath the little maze design thing. I'm wondering what that is. I don't think it's a disco ball. Oh, I already did this. Got some coins. Up, no. Where are the disco balls? Ooh. Yeah, I don't think so. Boom. More good for sure. Wish I could jump over there. No disco ball up there, so just part of the scenery, I think. Alright, nothing to suggest. Oh, over here. Ooh. No disco ball. There's a box up there, but no disco ball. Whoa, that's cool. I didn't know I could do that. Puzzle piece. And I get to get this. Almost fell off there. Maybe it's around the end guy or whatever that I fight. If I fight one. Oh, the disco ball is behind me. I can't go back from here. Let's see. I can use the bird as my guide in the next round. You know where it is? Yeah, I imagined. Cool. Well, I might just restart it then. You know where it's at. And I can also just use the bird too. So let's restart. So in case you get disconnected or whatever, I'll just use the bird here. Cool, cool. I'll keep my eyes on the chat. Oh. I was wondering if it had... Oh, yeah. I gotta use the ladybug. Yeah. Yeah, the bird's beeping, so I know there's something here. Maybe I just burn out all the lights. There we go. Cool. Yeah. Yep. So yeah, when I was doing them before, I was like, but I can't jump. And then it's like there's a ladybug right there. So thank you for the help. And so then I'm over 3 hours now, but I'll play this level, try to get 100 box, which I don't think I will. And then next Saturday, we can continue on. So back in the Lost Galaxy, this is going to be the first one. I skipped it initially, so I imagine it's not going to be too difficult. So 9, so we'll have 96. And then we can go back to the home planet, drop off the box, and then next week I'll get up to 100. I'll get over 100 for sure. Can't imagine this level will be too difficult because it was like the first bonus one. It's like, yep, it's usually R2 and whatnot. I get it. Oh! Number 1, sick. Ooh. I wish that guy would follow me around. He looks cool. This is a little intense. Lots of fans. That guy. I don't know what game that guy's from either. Oh, that's from, I forget his name. I know the game where his mouth is like sealed shut and stuff. Kind of creepy. But yeah, that's that game. Cool throwback. It's funny you get smashed if you screw that up there. I got 2 out of 5, no puzzle pieces. Puzzle piece. Hopefully it's the first one. What? First one, cool. Oh, I know. Whoa! Oops. Man. This is stressing me out, man. Oh, another one of those guys with the mouth sealed shut. Oh, crap. I'm missing the second flag, though. Or the second puzzle piece, I mean. Man, I want to get the other puzzle piece. I have to go back and get the other puzzle piece. Not sure why there was another puzzle piece. 96? Hey, what's up, Chastad? How's it going? Yep, I'm gonna restart that level. Just get that other puzzle piece. Which, like, the first one was kind of late in the level, so I'm kind of surprised about that. I don't need the stupid bird help. Yeah, I imagine, you know, let me try to figure it out, but then stop me if I'm going too far. Silver, yeah, silver is insane. I don't know if you're holding it all. I am not. I wish I was. But yeah, I mean, it just seems like I feel like it's a short squeeze. Do not want to short it. Do not want to do anything with leverage. I'm not going long it because I think it could be pulling back some, but I think it could be going a lot higher still. So yeah, and it's kind of funny, like everybody's like gold is the new, or Bitcoin's the digital gold, Litecoin's the digital silver, at least that's how I feel. Litecoin makes that argument, makes sense to me. But then it's like everybody's saying that, and then like we should have just been buying the hard assets, the metals. And now that everybody's like not only, you know, going crazy about gold, but also silver now. Now is the time to, I think, you know, crypto. I mean, I've been buying Ethereum. I'm doing $40 of Solana each day now because I want to have my Solana position larger than my Doge position. And I can't wait for it to get up there because then it's like, I want to start adding more to really like Ethereum, Doge, and Solana, just like boosting those up more to keep up with my Bitcoin position. Of course, they'll all be lower than it is my goal. And then also like I want to be, I don't have a Bitmine position, but I'd really like to start building one. And I think I might do it like Bitmine's like $30 or something like that. Very unexciting. But I want to be building a position there. Could do like 1/10 of a share a day. I've kind of been doing that with MicroStrategy. I almost have a whole share now, which again, really not that exciting. But then it's just like, well, while it's low, I can very passively, very slowly be building Bitmine, strategy, I should say, position. There's something up there. I've already been there. So I know that, you know, the puzzle piece that I got was further ahead, so I still need to go further ahead. Yeah, I forget what I was saying, but there's the first puzzle piece. So I went up there to get that puzzle piece. Maybe it's over there on the left. I think that's probably it. Yeah, I went through this section kind of quickly. Yep, that's what I'm betting. It's over there on the left. Booyah! Didn't need the help, I got it. Booyah! Alright, so let's go back to the crash site. Yeah, Karim, I got it. I didn't get that though. I was just like, I don't care, let's go. So yeah, I'll go back to the crash site so we can bring back all the bots. And then next Saturday I'll get up to 100 and we can, you know, expand the world a little bit. And I'll continue on to that galaxy, the Octopus Galaxy. Right. Got 96 buddies back here. And some puzzle pieces, I think. Do the puzzle. Not quite all the way there, but doing good. One of the things I wish they do is like if the puzzle pieces were specific to the place, but I think it's just like if you have a puzzle piece, it just goes in order. It'd be cool if it was, you know, kind of didn't do them in order, but did them corresponding to where the puzzle pieces came from. I don't know what you guys think. I have the like Astrobot coloring. I could do black. What do you guys think? You put it in the chat if I should do black. After it's time to sub, yeah. I will do, for next week, I'll mix it up. I'll do black for next week. We can have some fun with that. And yeah, and since you're saying time to sub, do you have Karim P3? So we'll see what kind of channel you've got. And I'll switch over to here. And I'm gonna leave. I'm just gonna, let's see. I didn't want to do the white because it's blinding. But yeah, we go to YouTube. And so, what kind of channel you got? Are you baiting me? Karim P3Y. Is this you? Or is it 2 underscores? Karim P3Y. No. So I'll do at Karim P3Y. Cool. Karim P3Y. So I think that's you. So I will subscribe. It looks like, this is cool. So like Lego cars, stuff like that. Cool. How to fix stuff. So yeah, I am a new subscriber. And there's that, which I went over earlier. And I'll just come back to the gameplay here. It looks like he's taking a nap here. But yeah, we will continue next Saturday with Astrobot. Going to be at 10 a.m. Possible I'll do another stream between now and then for Astrobot, but the next stream that I will be doing is going to be Metal Gear Solid Monday, 7 p.m. Eastern, and I will be releasing clips today of Neo, of the other one that I did, which is the drilling company. I forget. And then Gore, I think Gorr. And then I will also be doing, releasing the, what's it called? The Power Packs from Wednesday. I need to get that video out. And I will probably be going over the schedule for the week as a video. And I'll have a post on that in case you can't catch the video. But yeah, thank you all so much for joining. It's been fun. Not as many viewers as we got on Saturday. It looks like I got a total of 32 views. That's kind of standard for me for gameplay streams. But the whole point is, the goal is to have some fun. I think that we're doing that. I'm going to bring Ed back. And if you haven't already, make sure you like the stream. Make sure you like the videos. Share your thoughts in the comments, in the chat. Make sure you subscribe. I will be streaming again tomorrow evening for Metal Gear Monday. Thanks a lot, guys.